Hi, Aaron here from Prof. Pinoy Pixel. In this lesson, we will learn how your camera will follow into the curve that we want to place here in our grid, just like what you saw here. So this is our output for today. So let's begin. The first step is we should set the panel layout into top, because if we place a 3-point circular arc, so it turns out to be accurately placed. Okay, so in this case I will place 3-point circular arcs, or it's up to you if you want to use other things here. Okay, so first, second, or 1, 2, and 3, and I will move this a little bit. I will scale it, and you see we have cuts here. So this is the starting point of the camera, and this is the end point, and I want to rotate it just like this. Okay, now I will elevate it, and then of course we must have our camera. So just create camera and camera. Next thing that we will do is just place your camera near on the starting point of the curve, just like this, or you can actually resize it. Okay, now next thing that we will do, highlight the curve as well as the camera, just like this, and then by default the set menu is set on the modeling. Change it to animation and find the constraint, motion path, and attach to motion path, and see what will happen. So sometimes we encounter this problem, like for example the lens of the camera turns far in our subject. So basically the view is on that side. To fix this, okay, go to the motion path. So I am here in attribute editor. Go to motion path, and we have here inverse front. Check. Okay, and then it is fixed. Now if we play along with the timeline, so it automatically follow the curve. So no need to manually record the keyframe, because it automatically moves. So if you want to adjust the tilt of the camera, so we can explore here in the twist. For example, what will happen if I change the value of twist, like for example 15. So this will be the output, or how about negative 20? Okay, how about the, so let me reset it. How about the up twist? You see, it changed the tilt, or basically the twist. How about the side twist? Okay, so this is what it looks like. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned in our lesson. Aaron here from Prof. Pinoy Pixel.